Hello guys, welcome to another video. So we're going to solve our last equation by perfect square, factorization by perfect square. Let us take a look into x squared minus 14x plus 49 equals to 0. We want to factorize by a perfect square method. And we say the perfect square can only happen when 4ac minus b square is equals to 0. In this case, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 14, c is equals to 49. So if we are to substitute here, it's 4 times 1 times 49 minus 14 square is equals to 0. So in this case, we get 9 times 4, we get 36, so 6, which is 196. So here we get 196 minus 14 square, which is 4 square 16. So we get 196 again is equals to 0. 0 is equals to 0. So this quadratic equation is a perfect square. Therefore, x squared minus 14x plus 49 is equals to x plus b over 2a bracket square. This is the form of a perfect square. So if it is the form of a perfect square, then we are going to write it here. Square is equals to 0. Then we substitute the value x plus b. The value of b is bracket minus 14 over 2 times 1. Bracket square equals to 0. Let us divide x plus bracket. Since we're having a little bracket here, we divide this, we get 7. So here we get a minus 7 square equals to 0. So x minus 7 bracket square is equals to 0. So our perfect square here is minus 7. So since our perfect square is minus 7, then x is equals to 7 or 7 again. So the repeated root. So the repeated root is 7. What if we are to use x? Because the identical root, as long as we're having identical root in a perfect square, it means x is equals to b over 2a minus b over 2a. So let us say minus bracket minus 14 bracket over 2 times 1. So you might find out the shortcut now. The shortcut for this whole solution of a perfect square to get a repeated root, as long as the roots are identical, just use minus b over 2a, where here it's 14 over 2, here we get 7. The same answer. So you can use this method here, or you can go all the way here. It depends, it's your choice. So this is all for factorization method. Let us dive into another method of quadratic equation by general formula. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.